darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie and today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing right here. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly makeup slash skincare type of subscription, sometimes even lifestyle. You know, it's something you pay monthly for and they send you makeup. It's $25 US a month, and that's the thing. Like, they send you kind of random things. You don't know what you're really getting. You're allowed to choose one item that's gonna be in your box, and I know there's one item in here. Vitamin C. I'm pretty sure it's the vitamin C in that box. You know what? It's just a subscription box. I don't really know what's in it, so we're gonna open it, see what's in there. Like, it's still sealed. Like, I've been very good about this. It's still very much sealed, and so I'm gonna take my little lash scissors and undo this, and we're gonna discover together what's in that box. I'm excited! I honestly love the concept of these because I like to be surprised, you know? Oh, okay. Oh, I like what I'm seeing. Okay, so this is the Sunshine box. It's the July 2020 box, obviously. So first thing we're getting is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This one right here. It's watermelon, green tea, pineapple. Let me read what this does. Oh my god, it's glass. It feels very nice. Ooh. The Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. A powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. I personally love vitamin C. I use vitamin C every single day, so I'm very excited to try this. But I use vitamin C in the morning, and it's currently 5:14. So I'm gonna insert a clip of me trying this out tomorrow morning, and I'll tell you how I feel about it. Hello dears, I hope you guys are doing well. So it's been, how many days? It's been 11 days since I've been using the serum. The thing is, when I was gonna film the application of the serum, the next day I filmed the video, I realized how dumb it was because it's literally just gonna feel like any other serum. And so I'm here to tell y'all that I do like the texture of the serum, and I like how it feels on my skin and how it layers with other skincare products. What I do is I use it in the morning. Like I said, I use all my vitamin C in the morning, and I like it. Have I seen significantly dramatic results? I can't say I have, but I don't hate it at all. And it's only been, like I said, it's only been 11 days, so I'm obviously not putting my final thoughts on that quite yet, but I really like it, and I think it's pretty good for now. It's just not life-changing so far, but who knows, when we actually wait the right 3 weeks, we might see some really potent change. So I'm satisfied with it so far. That's it. This retails for $49.95, so already you're getting your box's worth with this. This is really cool. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So the next big thing I'm seeing right now is the Creme Shop Next Gen Blender Set Travel Friendly Sponge, Triple Cut Sponge. Latex free, vegan, cruelty free. This is nice. A duo of unique cut sponges designed to apply and blend cosmetics to all areas of the face, including those hard to reach places a traditional brush or sponge can't get to. Easily apply and blend powder and liquid foundation for a flawless complexion. So this retails for $22. $22 for 2 blenders is not bad. Let's get a feel for these. Let's open it up. I love unboxing things, you don't even understand. And the fact that I don't even know what's in there, that's even cooler. Dang. We're gonna try these out today. I haven't been using beauty blenders a lot, I'm not gonna lie. This is the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise. It's a bronzer palette. Yes, it's a bronzer palette. It's so pretty. And I love the variety of shades in there. I'm obviously not gonna be able to use the bronze much, but I can see myself using these too. This one looks a little dark, but that's perfectly fine. The Bronze in Paradise palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. This retails for $30. This is good. I'm very excited to try this, like super excited. This is cool. This is really cool. Ooh, this is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Gold. It's that right here. You know what? Let me swatch it. I really, ooh, it feels more like a shadowy top coat. Like it doesn't feel like, you see, it looks more like a sheen to me. Ah! Okay, so let me tell you what this is. Get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight, decadent formula is the perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. This retails for $25. It looks like similar in concept to the Stila, but it's not glittery. It's very much like a sheen, and it's very pretty, but it's not very opaque. Like it's a nice sheen to tap on something, but I don't feel like this is very opaque on its own. Like you couldn't cut the crease with this and just call it a day. So that's cool. $25. Then we have the Alamar Cosmetics. This is their lip gloss in the shade Birthday Suit. Ooh, I hope I like this shade, because I really like lip gloss. I'm a big fan of lip gloss. There's definitely an interesting shimmer in there. The gloss is obviously the pink. This is pretty. Alamar Cosmetics is celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit, wink is what's written, a universally gorgeous pink diamond dripped gloss. I like the word diamond, so you got me. This retails for $15. So I'm not gonna be able to give you like an in-depth review like as soon as I upload this video, because obviously for skincare products, you need to try them out for at least like 2-3 weeks, and I'm definitely gonna do that, and I'll update you on my Twitter or Instagram. But you know, we won't be trying her today, so I'm gonna put her on the side. So I'm gonna count how much all of this is worth, and then I'm gonna get started on my look. And yeah, girl, that's $142. What Boxycharm basically promises with most of their box is that you pay $25 and you'll get $125 worth of products. So that's really good. $142 worth of products, honey. I am not complaining. Let's get on to it. So basically what I'm going to do is, because I always start with my eyes first, I'm gonna do my brows, I'm gonna get started on some eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna come and we're gonna achieve the rest of the look. So let me get started. Okay, so I'm back to finish the eyes. If you want to know what I used the Lunar Beauty Moonspell palette. It's one of my favorite palettes that I own. And listen, girl, it's actually really good. If you need details, I'm gonna have the Instagram post in which I use, like the Instagram post for this look is gonna be linked in the description box down below. But we're going to take the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream eyeshadow in the shade Gold. And what I'm gonna do first is put it on my hand using a Firma 203 brush. I'm just gonna pack this in the inner corner of my eye. The product is being deposited right here and not right here, but it looks very beautiful. It is very reflective. I'm gonna kind of let it dry a little bit, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and because they said you could reapply layers and see if that's gonna work out better for you. For my foundation, I'm gonna take this sponge, which is like, if you compare them, it's this one right here that I'm gonna take. I mean, that looks nice. It looks very nice. I'm sure in photos it's gonna become great. Ah, it's pretty. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. This is a banger, y'all. Banger. For foundation, I'm gonna take the Fenty Pro Filter foundation. I feel like I haven't used this one in such a long time, and that needs to change. So I'm going to take the sponge. Hopefully it works out nice. I forgot how much I actually do like a beauty blender, because I haven't used one in so long. Oh, it's my shade. It's kind of my shade, right? So far this sponge, you know, she's doing her job. I mean, it's nothing out of this world crazy, but it's also not working. I forgot how matte this foundation was. Queen. By the way, my shade in Fenty products is 300. For the face concealer, I'm going to take the same sponge. So this is, ooh, cutting edge. It's nice, but I don't know if I'm ready to go back to sponges right now. You know what I mean? Like, the sponge is not bad. It's a little, it feels a little plasticky. You know how some sponges feel spongy? Well, this one feels plasticky. I'm sure there's an audience for this, and I'm sure that the more you use it, the more it kind of loosens up. It's gonna lose that plasticky feeling. But right now I can definitely feel it, and it's not my favorite brand. I'll be real. Wow, I look like I've been doing some kind of illicit activity. Wow, now that I look flat and matte, I'm going to take the Ace Beauté Bronzed in Paradise palette. I'm first gonna go in with this shade here. Might mix it with a little bit of this one. I guess we'll see. I'm dipping into the little bronzer, and the only thing is that it's not very wide, so you kind of have to be a little careful when you're dipping in it so you don't dip in other shade. This is nice. I like that it's not coming off really patchy or super intense. It's just giving me like a nice little effect. I like this. It's nice. We're almost done. We've almost tried everything except for the serum that I'm gonna try tomorrow, but this is exciting. Because we're trying on this little gloss, I'm going to line my lips using the NYX Dazed and Diffused Blurring Lipstick in the shade Unwind. It's become my new favorite kind of brown nude liner because it's so fat that it really gets everywhere. I wish they had a little bit of a darker brown, but this was very quick. This is why I like this. I'm going to take the Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. I'm really excited. It's pink. It's gonna match my shirt. Can you see? And I'm just gonna... Oh, does it smell good? Oh my god, my lips are so sticky. It's a little sticky, I'm not gonna lie, as I put on more. A little bit of a cooler toned pink, like it's not a very warm pink, but this, it feels thick and glossy. Like this would be a gloss that's gonna last you a long time. I'm gonna put on my lashes and I'll be back for the review. Shall we? So this is it, guys. Let me give you a little bit of a rundown on every single product that I used today. Starting with the Alamar lip gloss. I really like the shade. It's a little thick, but you just need to apply not too much. Is it my favorite lip gloss formula? No, because I prefer something that's more gel-like and less sticky. But this would definitely last longer than my usual glosses because it's stickier. So if you really want a gloss to last long, this is actually really nice. Then this is the Ace Beauté Bronzed in Paradise little palette. I like this. I like that it was, you know, many shades, easy to use, and I like that there is a pretty dark shade in there. This is what it looks like on me. It's obviously not gonna give you insight on how it's gonna look on darker skinned people, and I would like to see dark skin like creators use this palette to see if it's gonna work for them. It's obviously not deep enough, like we would need a 5th color, but for a bronzer palette, it's nice, and I feel like it can definitely be used as eyeshadow if you can't use those as bronzers. So that could be a really cute, just neutral eyeshadow palette. You know, you start with this, you go to this, you go to this, you go to this. Neutral look, boom. So this is nice. Then we have our Studio Makeup Endurance Cream eyeshadow. This one I actually ended up liking more than I thought I was gonna like because it looked a little sheer on my hand. The thing is, when you go in with 2 coats, I think the sheen and the power you get from this is literally amazing and incredible. So, you know, she's a winner. I'm gonna use this. These sponges, like they're not magical. Like, I'm gonna be really honest, they're not doing anything for me. Like, it's not the type of sponge that I'm like, oh my god, my life has changed. I just rather use a brush at that point. I feel very I don't have feelings about these sponges. I just don't care about them. Like, if there's one thing from this box that I just could do completely without, it would be that one, because she's not doing anything for me. In 21 days, I'm going to update the description box of this video to tell you my feelings about this serum, because I feel like 3 weeks is the minimum for me to get any type of idea about a serum. So Alexa, remind me in 3 weeks to update on the serum. So August 10th at noon, Miss Girl right here, she's gonna remind me to update the description box of this video, which is exactly what I'm going to do. Worry not, darling. But I'm really curious. I love the packaging. It's clean, it's no fragrances, and a lot of, like, I went on their website and it's really not a lot of abrasive ingredients, so I'm super excited to try this one out. That being said, the video is over, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Overall, in this box, the only thing that disappointed me so far is this. I don't care about this. The rest I actually really like, and I'm super excited to incorporate in, you know, maybe my daily routine. Like, this is definitely gonna be very used. But yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment other video suggestions or things you'd like to see me do. If you like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then guess what? Feel totally free to subscribe to this channel because we love newcomers. If you subscribe to this channel, you automatically acquire a level of power that is unmatched. If you want to, you can also follow me on all my other social media such as Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I'll have all the links in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.